Money comes in, money goes out. It's simple, right? Wrong. Most people living paycheck to paycheck don't really know where their money is going. That's the first problem we need to fix. Understanding your income and expenses is the foundation of getting ahead. Start by tracking every dollar you earn. Write it down, use an app, whatever works for you. Next, track every dollar you spend. And I mean everything. That daily coffee, those impulse buys, write them all down. You might be surprised at where your money is really going. Once you have a month or two of tracking, analyze the results. Are you spending more than you earn? Where can you cut back? Knowledge is power, and understanding your financial situation is the first step to breaking free. A budget is not a dirty word. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. It's telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Don't be scared. Budgeting can be simple. Start with the basics: your income and your necessary expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Then allocate money to savings and debt repayment. Remember, pay yourself first. That means setting aside money for your future before anything else. There are different budgeting methods out there. Find what works for you, whether it's the envelope system, a budgeting app, or a simple spreadsheet. The key is consistency. Stick to your budget, track your progress, and adjust as needed. Life throws curveballs: car repairs, unexpected medical bills, you name it. An emergency fund is your cushion for these unexpected events. Without it, you risk falling into debt when life happens. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month. The goal is to build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This may seem like a lot, but remember, it's about peace of mind. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account, easily accessible but not too tempting to dip into. Having this safety net will give you the confidence to face life's challenges head-on, without derailing your financial progress. Congratulations! You're on your way to breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle. But it's not just about getting by, it's about building a life of financial freedom. That means setting financial goals and creating healthy financial habits. What do you want to achieve? Buying a house? Retiring early? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Then make a plan to achieve them. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your successes along the way. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. For more information, be sure to visit our website at www.echoinvesting.io today.